How to install Wedding Directory WordPress theme on your website. First of all, you can download the main zip file from ThemeForest. Okay. Then extract. You get this folder. This is the main zip file. Okay. Here is the documentation, license, sample data, and theme. You can open the theme folder, and this is your installable theme. Wedding Directory zip. Okay. Right now, this is the default look for WordPress install. Go to Appearance, Theme, Add New, Upload Theme. Okay. Wedding Directory zip installation successfully. Now activated. Okay. Install required plugins. Wait for installation time. Okay. Waiting directory required all plugins installed successfully. Please activated all the plugins. Return to dashboard. Okay. It's just a normal error, no issue. You can just refresh it. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Using the waiting directory WordPress theme. Please verify license key. Okay. Click here for the license verification. This is the dummy purchase code. You can download your purchase code from here. Where is my purchase code? When you have downloaded your theme, you can just download the license certificate. Like this is your purchase code. Verify license key now. Okay, successfully activated Wedding Directory WordPress theme on your website. Okay, go to dashboard. Okay, after verification purchase code, you get all the features plugin here. You can install again. Budget calculator, claim listing, Elementor, Google Map, guest list, wedding directory invoice, leaflet map, wedding directory listing, payfast, paypal, pricing table, razor pay, real wedding, request quote, wedding directory reviews, rsvp, wedding directory shortcode, wedding directory stripe payment gateway, to do list, wish list. Okay, all required plugins installed successfully after purchase code verification. You can activate it all. Okay, great. Okay. So right now, all required plugins perfectly installed and activated, and our purchase code verification task done too. Okay. Right now, go to tools, import WordPress, run import. Okay. Okay. So open main zip file, sample data. This is XML file and this is widget file. You can select theme XML file and here update file and import. Okay. If you wish to import our existing vendor, okay, so you can just copy wedding cake vendor, dress vendor, florist, jeweler, music, photography, videography, transportation, and venue. Okay. Okay, this is the wedding directory is a, like is admin. Okay, so we are not select the any role of not select this user. Download and import file attached. Submit. Okay, all done. Have fun. All data import successfully. Okay. Okay. XML file import task done. Now widget file. Okay, you can just open in editor and copy all the text. Okay, go to widget import and export. Copy and paste. Click here. You can paste here and import the widgets. Great. All widgets import are successfully. Okay. Now go to Mailchimp form. Okay, and save it. Go to appearance. Okay, sorry. Go to setting and reading. Select your static pages is the home page and blog and save it. Okay. Go to wedding directory setting option. Go to footer setting, default column and save it. Okay. Default configuration task all is done now. Okay. Okay. Just click here on a logo. You can see all data import successfully. Okay, we are not update the menu. Okay, no problem. Go to appearance and menu, manage location. Okay, primary menu, location, category, and tiny footer menu, and save it. Menu location is updated. Okay, just refresh it. Okay, all menu are here. You can see this. Okay, meet our expert team. Latest news and updates, idea and tips. Okay, great. Footer widget are imported. Perfect. Go to top, home page. Perfect. Okay. As live preview, we imported all the dummy content on your website. Right now, this task is done. Demo process. All pages are imported successfully. No any issue. Okay, bye bye.